This video will be explaining and demonstrating the primary and secondary triads or chords in the key of C major. This video is a very brief and practical demonstration of this theoretical concept. Let's get started. In music, we have different symbols. Notes are the symbols that tell us to make sound. In a chord or a triad, we have three notes. This is what they look like. When they look like this, it tells us to play three notes together at the same time. This is what we call a chord or a triad. Now let's have a look at a C major scale. We have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, a bit messy, sorry, and now a C. That's what it sounds like when it's going up or ascending, and it can also go down or descending. Let's have a listen. We have different types of movements or motions in music. We have stepwise motion, and we also have skips. Now let's take a look at a C major chord. This starts on C and has two skips above it. When we play these three notes all together, it creates a pleasing sound. This is called harmony. Now let's listen to chords built over the C major scale. It starts on C and we build a chord above each note. We're going to focus on the first 6 notes. Let's have a listen and notice how they all sound differently. So we have two different sort of sounds or two different sort of moods. This is where we split up the two chords into their categories. We have the primary triads, which create a happy sound, and we also have the secondary triads, which make a darker or a sad sound. The primary triad sound has a major sound. This is a happy sound. Have a listen. The other sound is the minor sound. This sounds darker and sad. Let's have a listen. So this is what we call the chord functions in the key of C major. We have the major triads, which are the primary triads, and we also have the minor triads, which are the secondary triads. The major triads are chords 1, 4, and 5, and the minor triads are chords 2, 3, and 6. These chords are used as a foundation and the building blocks in music. Every piece of music begins with and is built or developed from what we call harmony. The harmony can be identified from different types of chords or triads. Here is just a few samples of some primary and secondary triads in different orders. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and thanks for listening and paying attention.